guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Peace here, back at this again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on false lashes. Lots of people have been asking me, how do you put on your false lashes? Ever since I started wearing falsies and ever since I launched my lash line on Instagram, you guys should check it out. I'm finally making a video on how to put on false lashes, so make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out all my social media, it will be in the description box below. And without further ado, let's hop right into some falsies. So to be able to put on falsies the right way, you're gonna need three things. Number one, obviously a pair of falsies. These are in the style Coco from my lash line. These lashes are available for everyone who lives in Canada. I haven't expanded to international shipping yet, but I will be soon, so check it out. I will be using for this video. They're very pretty. Second thing you're going to need is any type of lash glue. My favorite lash glue and the lash glue that I would recommend the most is the Duo 2-in-1 lash glue. So it comes in a dark black lash glue and comes in clear. And the last thing you're going to need is a pair of tweezers, so you can use any kind. I have my personal two favorites. This is from Velour Lashes on Instagram, and this is from YourPeaceOge Lashes on Instagram, my lash line. You guys should check it out. It comes in a variety of styles. I will make a video talking about my lash line, so you guys should keep an eye out for that.
So here's the lash I'm going to be using, and here's the lash glue I'm going to be using. Sorry, this video is kind of blurred out, but that's just me applying the glue on my lashes. Another trick that I usually use to get my lashes to stay on all day is applying lash glue on the lash and on my lash line. This allows for an easy application and makes it look like you're wearing eyeliner even though you're not. So yeah, it kind of looks messy after, but this is what it looks like. And then I just leave it on for 30 seconds to get tacky before I apply my lashes. Okay, so after the glue gets tacky, I start off with my left eye. I start off at the end of my eye and slowly drag the lash to the front part of my eye. I don't know if it's actually front part, but yeah, you get the point, as you can see. And then I fluff it up a bit just to make sure it gets its shape, and I use my tweezers to clump up my real lashes and the fake lashes together. With my right eye, because I am dominant with my right hand, I just start off by placing the lash on the edge of my eye, and I slowly take my tweezers to bring it to the front of my eye. It's easier to do on my left eye than it is on my right eye for some reason. But yeah, this is how the application usually goes. And then I take an eyeliner to like cover up any parts of my real lashes that have been covered in concealer. And then I'm done applying my lashes. That was so easy, it took maximum 2 minutes. And yeah, that is my eyelash application. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
So thank you guys so much for watching that video. I hope you guys learned something from this quick tutorial on how to apply falsies. If you like the falsies you see in this video, they're from my lash line on Instagram. So yeah, if you see what you like, head over to YourPeaceOge Lashes on Instagram if you live in Canada, and you can get your lashes ASAP. If you really like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because there will be more videos coming up this summer. Hit the bell to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I post. And check out all my social media, it will be in the description box below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.